with chapter 1, that is the reproduction in plants. In this chapter, there are the few key points in which we will see about the reproduction in plants. These key points are: first, the reproduction by seeds. In this, we will deal with the patch of a seed, and next the germination of a seed. Now the next key point is the seed dispersal. Then we'll deal with the reproduction in vegetative propagation. Then next is the reproduction by spores. Next is the agriculture, and in this agriculture we will study about the crops, suitable season for the crops, the soil in which the crops can grow better, and the steps to be followed for the growth of the crops. Now before starting this chapter 1, reproduction in plants, let's have some introduction about this topic. Why is there the need of the reproduction in plants? Firstly, we should have a knowledge that plants do the process of the photosynthesis, and via this process of photosynthesis they produce food for themselves also and food for ourselves also. So we depend on plant for the need of food and also for the wood, rubber, coffee and etc. So this shows that we should grow more and more plants. Now the first question comes that how plants are grown from the seed. Plant seed से grow कैसे होते हैं? So here in this chapter we will study about this, that how plants are grown from seeds. Now before knowing about reproduction in plants, we should also know that what is reproduction. Reproduction is the process by which living things multiply to produce more of their own kind. वो प्रोसेस जिससे प्लांट्स अपनी ही खुद की तरह के और बहुत सारे प्लांट्स ग्रो कर पाएं, उस प्रोसेस को रिप्रोडक्शन कहते हैं. Now mostly new plants are produced by seeds. So it is important to notice that new plants that we get from the plants are produced via seeds. But not all plants are produced via seed. There are some plants that produce new plants from the parts other than the seed. कुछ plants ऐसे भी होते हैं जो seeds के अलावा भी दूसरे plants के parts से नए plants को produce करते हैं. So finally in plants, reproduction takes place by seeds, by spores and by vegetative propagation. Now firstly we will come to know the reproduction by seeds, which was the first key point of our chapter.